Okay, this video is about my multi-booting guide number 41, how to Hentetraconta Boot openSUSE lib15 Xfce desktop environment with Windows 10. You cannot record the installation of the using the live. There is no live USB of Xfce of openSUSE, and the way they recommend to install is using the DVD, the install media, not the live media. So I record the installation and I'm going to play it now.
Install openSUSE lib15 Xfce desktop environment. This is my multi-boot number 41. So openSUSE operating system is very stable operating system, and it's very easy to use too. So I already have installed openSUSE libKDE desktop environment. I have openSUSE Tumbleweed GNOME desktop environment. This is now going to be the Xfce, and I will make the next video. It's going to be openSUSE lib15 LXDE desktop environment. From the DVD, from the DVD, you only have 4 options of desktop environment options, and then after the install, you can choose to install other desktop environment. I will show how to do that after I do my next video. I will show how to install other desktop environment. So on the green box here, on the bottom, Xfce desktop, you have to click here on custom, click next. Then what you're going to do here, you're going to select on graphical environment, you're going to select the Xfce desktop environment. Actually, I thought I had the LXDE, but I was wrong. So anyway, I'm going to install the Xfce desktop environment. On the Tumbleweed that has the LXDE desktop environment, but that's not a problem. So Xfce desktop environment, that's how you install it. So what I have to do here is click next, click OK here. So on the bottom here, you're going to select Start with Existing Partition. So the partition, EFI system partition here, you double click on the, click Edit, then on Mount Device here, you're going to select /boot/EFI, then click next. On the swap partition that you already have installed, you have created already, you click Edit, click Format Device, that's the swap partition that I already have created. Click next. Now you click on the SDA here, just the name SDA, and you're going to click Add here. Click Add. Then you're going to click Custom, and then I will use 10 gigabyte. So it's going to be 10 gigabyte. I'll click Next, and then select Operating System. Click Next. The file system here, I prefer to use ext4 with the mount point here. If you want to encrypt, select Encrypt Device here. Click Next. Now, as you can see here, partition number 44, that's the partition that we're going to install openSUSE Xfce desktop environment. Then click Accept here. So it's going to create a partition with the partition number 44, 10 gigabyte with a mount point, file system ext4, create a mount point with swap that I have there, mount point dev SDA at /boot/EFI. Click Next. The time zone here, I'm going to use the one that's showing there. I'm going to click Next. And the username and password. And I'm not going to use automatic login, so I'm going to create my username and password. I don't want to use secure boot. On the booting here, I click on booting, and I disable here security boot. Enable security boot support here. I don't want to enable, so I'm going to disable. I'm going to click OK. Now just have to do is click here, install, and select install, and that's it. It's going to take, this is a multi-boot, this is number 41 multi-boot. This is going to take around maybe like 40 to 50 minutes to have it installed, and I will play this video right inside of the Xfce desktop environment. I will play this video here. That's it for now.
Okay, I have to fix the time zone here on the computer, and right now it's like 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. So anyway, this is how it looks like, the openSUSE Xfce desktop environment. And my next video is going to be multi-booting number 42, how to Dotetraconta Boot openSUSE Tumbleweed LXDE with Windows 10 UEFI guide. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share. Se você gostou desse vídeo, deixa um like, compartilhe, inscreva-se, compartilhe nas suas redes sociais, deixe os comentários abaixo aí, em qualquer dúvida. E até o próximo vídeo, que será amanhã, no dia 12. Esqueci aqui. Next video is going to be on the 12th. I put the wrong date there. So I'll see you in the next video.